What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the Air 3 Deluxe HS can do. Here we go. Basically, this is by Soundpeats. We've unboxed a few earbuds from them here on this channel, so go ahead and check that out as well. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. There we go. This is what we get in the package. It comes with an instruction manual here as well. Let's take at the bottom. More instruction manual right here. Got the power cord right there, USB-C, and the earbuds itself. Let's take this out of the plastic. Let's open this up. There it is. Indicator light in the front. Little sync button up there. The back has the Soundpeats logo, and the bottom is the USB-C slot. This is what the earbuds look like. Let's try to put this on. Let's take our phone here, go to settings, Bluetooth, and as you can see there, Soundpeats HS Deluxe on the bottom. And there it is, connected. Now let's go to our app store here and download the Soundpeats app. Basically, with the Soundpeats app, you'll be able to control the Air 3 Deluxe HS without any problems. Change equalizer as well, and you'll be able to upgrade the firmware if you needed to. You do need to register. Once you do that, let's go ahead and log in, and then it's gonna start to search for our earbuds. As you can see here, it was able to detect the Air 3 Deluxe HS right away. It'll show you the battery indicator. You could change the volume control here. They also have adaptive EQ. It'll play sounds on your ear so that it knows which one is the best for your ear, which is really good for customizing it, and it actually works really well for your ears, and it'll adapt towards what kind of hearing you have, if you have really good hearing or really bad hearing. Now they do have presets as well. You can choose from their classic bass boost, bass reduction, electronic, hip-hop, with rock and roll, whatever you're using it for. They also have custom equalizer where you can change it to whatever you want, customize it to whatever you're liking. I like to just use the preset as well. There's the gaming mode as well here, the in-ear detection, and disable touch key one-click functionality, which is really awesome. Let's go and play some songs here. Oh yeah, here we go. As you can see, it doesn't fall. Really nice. So there are some automatic settings here. As you can see, if you take off the earbuds on either one, it will pause the music. So let's go ahead and play this music now and take off one of the earbuds. That should pause your music, which is really nice to see. When you put it back, it should play the music. As you can see it there, pretty nice. If you want it manually to play and pause it, you just double tap it. And as you can see there, it played and paused it. If you want to volume up or down, you just hit the left side for the volume down. As you can see there, single tap. And then if you want to volume up, you just single tap on the right side. Pretty good. Now, if you want to change to the previous track, you just need to tap and hold the left side of the earbuds for 1.5 seconds. Let's try that again. There you go. It's going to go to the previous song. And then if you want to go to the next track, all you need to do is hold the 1.5 seconds on the right side, as you could see there. Now, if you get a phone call as well, you can double tap on either one. That will answer the phone. And if you want to hang up, you just double tap again on any earbuds. That will hang up the phone. If you want to reject the phone call, what you need to do is hold it for 1.5 seconds during a phone call. If you have someone on hold and you want to switch from different calls, all you need to do is hold the earbuds for 2 seconds. Now, if you want to bring up Siri, all you need to do is triple tap the right side. There it is, that's Siri bringing it up. And then if you are gaming, but you can enter gaming mode by triple tapping the left side. There we go. So it'll tell you on the earbuds if it's a game mode, and then if you've exited game mode as well. Now, if you want to go to pairing mode, all you need to do is tap and hold this for 3 seconds, the reset button on the front, and you should be good to go. And then once you're done, all you need to do is just throw that in there like so, and you should be good to go. Now let's go ahead and connect it to our MacBook Air M1 via Bluetooth. And then I'm going to go to OBS and connect it via audio input capture. And then we're going to select Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. So here it is now. We have it connected to our MacBook Air M1. This is a test for the mic on the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. Let me know what you think down below if it's any good or not. Again, this is the test for the Soundpeats Air 3 Deluxe HS. Let me know in the comments below. This you can use as well. This I have it connected on the OBS right now. You can connect it on Zoom, and if you have meetings, you can use this as well. So let me know if it's any good or not. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new gaming earbuds just like this one. This is the Air 3 Deluxe HS by Soundpeats. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I definitely recommend this for people who wants a new earbuds with really nice bass and great for gaming as well. The links below are affiliate links, so make sure to check that out. It does help out the channel a lot. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see more videos like these. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.